Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this fruit gums. It's a brand known as Hitschler and it is known as Cooties and it's sour fruit gums. As you can see over here is a transparent packing and it's looking so beautiful, like some kind of insect is going on. And the pack size is 80 grams, and over here they have mentioned the nutritional values. Store in heat protected and dry place. The instructions are given where you have to put this product. So let's not wait for much and open this pack. The first thing I want to tell you, the package is very colorful, very unique and beautiful. The colors are very good to attract the children towards the product. That's good thing. The taste is I'm gonna taste right now so that I could give you a review about it. So I'm gonna place it. Yeah. So friends, what are your views about this? Do you like this? Hope you can also feel it like an insect moving.
Earthworm.
I feel like that only, like earthworm, but they are brown in color and these are just colorful. I'm gonna taste it. Very tangy taste. Tangy taste, and they have just put some sugar powder above it to give some sweet and sour taste. Oh, that's why they have mentioned sour fruit gums. Definitely it is. It's kind of stretchy, as you can see. It's stretchy. Jelly gums, very stretchy, and the sour is the taste, and they have put some sugar powder above it. I personally love it. I love sour things, so very nice for me. I'm loving it. It is beautiful for kids to eat also. They'll enjoy it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.